confirmation we have here, Shivani, is that Amanatullah Khan stands arrested. Amanatullah Khan, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, stands arrested on allegations of money laundering in the Waqf Board Delhi that he was heading. There were jobs that were given out, and allegations are that money was laundered and there were irregularities in the appointments of jobs that were made within the Delhi Waqf Board. This is a case that the ED has been closely monitoring for at least 2 years now. And here you have Amanatullah Khan, who's now arrested. Shivani, Amanatullah Khan stands arrested, and official confirmation coming in.
6-hour-long interrogation between where Amanatullah was interrogated, and ED seeks a lot of documents in this whole case, Nabila, because this is a big financial scam. This is a scam when he was the chairman of the Waqf Board, and ED seeks a lot of answers from him, and he has been denying these answers. So we see that the investigations are still on, and he has been taken along with the ED.
So, from what we hear, the allegations are of money laundering. We've seen Amanatullah Khan put out 2 videos earlier today where he claims that he's being harassed by the Enforcement Directorate. I've taken some time to appear before the ED. I've responded to them promptly, etc. But yet the ED landing up in my house where I have a sick mother-in-law who's just undergone surgery a few days ago. She has cancer, and yet the ED is harassing me. Those are the videos that Amanatullah Khan put out a little earlier today itself. And on the very same day, ED takes him away, arrests him in the case of money laundering. The charges that are against him is that of money laundering and irregularities in appointments within the Waqf Board.
में रही थी, उसमें पैसे के लेन देन का जिक्र था। उसके बाद ये केस मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का ईडी के पास जाता है। ईडी की टीम बाकायदा वो अमानतुल्लाह खान को बुलाती है, पूछताछ करती है। इसी घर में, जहां की तस्वीरें हमने सुबह अपने दर्शकों को दिखाई, इसी घर में बीते साल ईडी की टीम 2023 में अक्टूबर में छापेमारी की थी, और जैसे ही एक लंबे अंतराल के बाद आज ईडी पहुंचती है, अमानतुल्लाह खान दरवाजा ही नहीं खोलते हैं। ईडी के दफ्तर बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास सर्च वारंट है, हमें अंदर आना है, और बाकायदा जो ईडी के अधिकारियों को अंदर नहीं दाखिल होने देते हैं। वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट करते हैं कि जी ईडी की टीम मुझे गिरफ्तार करने आई है। उसके बाद लोकल पुलिस को बुलाया जाता है, पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के जवानों को बुलाया जाता है, और उसके बाद फिर ईडी की टीम अंदर दाखिल होती है। तकरीबन 4 घंटे तक उनसे पूछताछ होती है, कुछ दस्तावेज खंगाला जाता है। उसके बाद ईडी की टीम यहाँ से अपने साथ लेकर अमानतुल्लाह खान को निकली, और तभी हमें अंदाजा हो गया था कि कोई बड़ा एक्शन होने वाला है। और अब एक ईडी के टॉप ऑफिशियल ने आज तक कोई कंफर्म कर दिया है कि अमानतुल्लाह खान को ईडी की टीम ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। जाहिर सी बात है, तस्वीर हमने देखी कि जैसे ही अमानतुल्लाह अपने घर से निकले, हाथ हिलाते हुए निकले, और उसके बाद अब ईडी की टीम उन्हें हेडक्वार्टर लेके जा रही है। और देखिए, ईडी के केस में जो जल्दी गिरफ्तार होता है वो फिर जल्दी बाहर आता नहीं है। ये भी एक गले की फांस है। आम आदमी पार्टी के कई नेता गिरफ्तार हो चुके हैं। डिप्टी सीएम मनीष सिसोदिया गिरफ्तार हो चुके हैं। लंबा वक्त लगा तिहाड़ जेल से बाहर आने में। खुद दिल्ली के सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल वो जेल के अंदर है फिलहाल, और अब अमानतुल्लाह खान की। और देखिए, ये केस पुराना चल रहा था, और दिलचस्प है कि अमानतुल्लाह खान को भी इस बात का लगता है एहसास हो गया था, क्योंकि ईडी का जो ये केस था वक्फ बोर्ड घोटाले का, जिसमें खुद चेयरमैन थे अमानतुल्लाह खान, वो लंबे वक्त से चल रहा था। सीबीआई, उसके बाद एंटी करप्शन डिपार्टमेंट, और एंटी करप्शन डिपार्टमेंट ने जब छापेमारी की थी पूरी तैयारी के साथ, तो अमानतुल्लाह खान सहित उनके कुछ करीबी गिरफ्तार।
All right, well, here you have a big update coming in. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan has now been taken into custody by the Enforcement Directorate on charges of money laundering and irregularities within job appointments in the Delhi Waqf Board. This allegation stands on him for the last 2 years, with the ED trying to probe into the matter. There were several encounters that he's had with the ED in the past on the same case. At this point, this is in a first. The ED now takes him formally into custody. Let me quickly cut across to Shivani, who's also with us, for more on that. Shivani, please elaborate for a little more on Amanatullah Khan claiming that there's no allegations against me. This is sheer harassment. ED is acting like the puppet of the BJP, etc. He's put out videos, multiple of them, a little earlier today, but he's now been arrested formally.
Nabila, as we saw that right in the morning when the ED officials had reached for investigation and search operations at Amanatullah's residence in Okhla, he had put out on social media X where he had been alleging that this was an illegal search, this was a politically motivated search, and he also had said that his mother-in-law, who's undergoing treatment for cancer, she's unwell, and at this moment deliberately the ED officials have come to his residence, and after 6 hours of interrogation he has now been arrested. That's what the sources say. We are still waiting for further confirmations on what is being done now. He has already been taken from his residence in with the ED officials, and we also saw, Nabila, that there was a huge deployment of local police as well as the CRPF here, the Central Police Forces were also present. Because we've seen in the past also where whenever the ED officials, ED teams have come, there has been a lot of chaos, a lot of commotion right outside his residence, and this is not the first time when he's been taken into custody. He has been involved in a number of cases, but if we talk about this particular case, this was the ED investigation which was going on in a money laundering case that was related to illegal recruitments in the Waqf board, because Amanatullah Khan, who was the chairman of the Waqf board, he has been, the case says that he has been involved in a huge money scam which involves and links around the illegal recruitments and also irregularities of funds, and this was the investigation that the ED was taking on. And these illegal recruitments have been done majorly between the years 2018 and 2022. So this was the case which was long running. The investigations were on. A lot of summons were already sent to Amanatullah Khan, but he was not cooperating as per the ED. And they came here today in the morning. They had to stand outside his residence for around 2 hours to get inside and to start interrogating him. But Amanatullah initially did not allow them. We also see a confrontation video between Amanatullah and the ED officials, where the ED officials can be seen saying that we need to ask you need to cooperate, but Amanatullah says that his mother-in-law is not well. We also saw a lot of reactions coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party leaders on today's interrogation and search operations by the ED. And finally, after 6 hours long search operation and interrogation, the ED officials have taken him into custody. He's been taken from his residence to the ED headquarters. Right. That's what we are being told. But do we know, Shivani, money laundering case?
Correct. Since you're detailing that for us, do we know exactly what exactly are the charges against Amanatullah Khan? We hear that he promised jobs or he gave out jobs in a manner that was illegal within the Waqf board in Delhi.
See, Nabila, there are multiple charges against him. One happens to be taking money for giving out jobs. Second, he has also given out these jobs illegally without any rules and regulations. He's flouted these rules and regulations. The third very important charge that the ED has against Amanatullah is that he has misused these funds, huge amount of these funds and the properties of work. He has also tried to transfer these properties in terms of the fixed assets, which were the properties of Waqf board. So the investigation is going on against Amanatullah. There are multiple charges in this particular case where the ED has been investigating against the illegal recruitment and also the financial irregularities while he was the chairman of the Waqf board. And this is not a small amount, Nabila. This is a huge scam. That's what the ED has been pointing out. The ED seeks more evidences. It has been collecting these evidences. It has been asking questions to Amanatullah where he has not been cooperating. A lot of summons were also being sent out to Amanatullah, but he was not cooperating as per the ED in this particular case. So now the ED had to reach him to take him into custody. This happened today from his residence in Jasola area of Delhi, where the ED officials had reached here at around 6 a.m. in the morning. A team of around 6 to 7 ED officials were there, and later the local police also reached here, and there were CRPF security personnel also along with the police team. So this was quite a dramatic situation, a chaos, a confrontation that happened between Amanatullah and the ED officials, and finally he was taken into custody by the ED officials, and he's been taken.
So stay with us for the moment.